Alright, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Nick Maselli, owner of Maselli Visuals, coming at you guys with another video today. Today's video is going to be about switching to e-commerce. In other words, basically just getting a website, selling online, how it can help you, why you guys need it. There's so much reasons why. There's so much more reasons I have than just in this PowerPoint. But stay tuned till the end to find out more on how we can exactly help you. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. So let's talk about why switch, right? So let's just touch up on the reach more people. So boom, if you're a store and you sell online, obviously you have a way more market space. You could reach millions and millions of people. And talking about marketing and market space, it's better for marketing because you could actually collect data and actually see who visits the most products the most. Like, for example, if you sell a t-shirt that is black, and 1,000 people see that and only 300 people see the white one and the blue one, you're going to want to promote the black one better. You see what I'm saying? So it's just, better for marketing and collecting data and all that stuff. It's another flow of revenue. So it's always good to have money coming in from different directions. So not only do you have money coming in from your store, now you have money coming in from online, and also any sponsorships or partnerships that you get from your website to promote other people's stuff or collaborations. It's just more money that could open up to come into your business. It's easier to manage, especially how you can fulfill and track and manage the costs, the losses, the inventory, the tracking, storing data and everything. You don't really have to worry too much about inventory. It's just easier to manage. You're open 24/7, so people who all around the world who are up at different times can go on your site any time of the day and purchase anything that you want. Rent free. You don't have to pay anything to sell online. You do have to pay something, just maybe some fees or a commission fee or a website fee or anything like that. It's nowhere near. It's probably under $100, and it's nowhere near what you're paying for your storefront rent. And it's also remote. Like I said, anybody can come onto your website, and it's a platform to reach the entire world. I don't know why you're not selling online. So why do you need a website? This is going to be targeted towards real world companies, small businesses, stores, restaurants, startups, just businesses in the real world that are in real life businesses, stuff like that. So basically, in a summary, it's used as a marketing tool, which we talked up on before. Like I said, you could collect the emails, you could send out email blasts, coupons, you could send coupon codes, you could send basically what you would send in the mail normally. You would sell coupon codes and your brochures out in the mail, in the magazine forms. Yeah, that's old, that's out. What we could do is we could email it now, and you could be used as a marketing tool to reach new people, to reach more people and other stuff. Advertise and grow your brand. Boom, you could reach so many people from different countries, different places in the world. It's a free advertising platform, so instead of having to advertise in your storefront, instead of having to advertise, have somebody hold a sign or word of mouth, you actually have a platform now that you can actually pay, track, and manage your own advertisement to grow your brand, to reach more people, and you can get to know your customers better. You can get emails, you can email them, you can call them, you can actually have a conversation with them through an email, through a text, because a lot of people don't have time to talk on the go when they're in their store. They got things on their mind, they got kids with them. This is just you and the customer having a conversation, building a relationship. You can get to know them better. Plus, you could track each time they come on your website and which items they look at the most, so you can get to know what they like the most. So maybe if you see that customer has saw the black shirt 50 times, hasn't purchased it yet, send them everything that's black, send them every black item that you have, and hope it might get you a sale. This is for esports. So why you need a website for esports? Because remember, us as a company, we target both of them. It's just really another social media platform, because most esports organizations, if you're semi-pro to startup, startup to semi-pro pretty much, most esports organizations, you guys, your only form of social media or your business is only on Twitter, which you should slowly start to branch off to Instagram, and then to YouTube, and then to Facebook, because you can use all three of those platforms to build up a marketplace and a brand for your company. But having a website is really going to take over all three of them, and it's going to allow you to, the website is going to allow you to release the full potential of your other social medias, and everything will kind of come together on your website. Also meaning that more opportunity for players, investors, sponsors, players, investors, and sponsors and companies will now be able to come to your website. You'll be publicly known on Google, and this allows you more people to come more people go on Google than they go on Twitter, so they'll see who you guys are. They'll come, read about you, find about you, come to your social medias from your website. It's just more advertising for you. I mean, as another stream of income, as you can sell your own stuff on your website, meaning you could produce your own clothing, you could sell, you don't have to worry about giving a commission fee, you could track your own income, you don't have to worry about an affiliate link or when you're going to get paid. You make your own income and everything because you could sell on your own website, and you could just kind of work it out with your sponsors and your apparel providers and all this stuff on how exactly you would do that. So e-commerce. What is e-commerce? Basically, it's just selling online. Like, if you guys know what dropshipping is, basically dropshipping is where you don't touch your inventory. It's just, you're the middleman. They buy, you fulfill the order, you don't even touch it. You buy low and you sell high, pretty much, and you don't even touch the inventory. So you can track and manage your profits, but that's basically the selling online. You don't even have to leave your house. You don't have to have a warehouse. You don't have to, buy inventory first. It's just basically the selling of online. Dropship, that's what dropshipping is. Amazon FBA is basically selling other people's products online. eBay is selling your own products online. Facebook Marketplace is even e-commerce. Everything that is selling online is e-commerce. And let's be real, a lot of business owners are not up to date. You guys may not even have a website. You may not even be doing any advertisement. You may be still doing the old techniques from back in the day. You may still have a storefront, and you might slowly be going out of business. But let us help you before it gets to that point. Let us help you. Let us create a website for you. Let us, take you guys to the next level. Let us show you what this is. Come book a free consultation call with us so we can get you right. This is just a slide of just some things that you can't do in your store. So more of a persuasive slide on why you should get a website and everything. You can't collect emails in the store. You can't collect the customer data, like their age, location, likes, interests, and all that other stuff. You can't track how many people viewed each item in your store. You can't do that. Remember how I talked about that earlier? You can't receive honest feedbacks because I'll guarantee you, nobody's going to come up to you in your store and give you an honest feedback. It's just going to be a complaint. It's not going to be a feedback. It's not going to be a review. It's going to be a complaint. So at least online, you could get some feedback and get some reviews because you could reach millions of other people who may not even know who you are or what you do, and it's just honest feedback which you can use to build your company up. The only thing you can do in the store is sell to people only who walk through your doors, talk to people who only walk through your doors. That's it. If I told you that you could sell to millions of people, what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching. Honestly, man, if you guys want to learn more about what we can do and how we can help you, come to MaselliVisuals.com. We will, book a free consultation call. Every single free consultation comes with our business branding guide. That's a $10 value. That's free. We give it away completely free. We can help you make the switch. Like, we are the professionals. Let us take care of the headaches for you. We manage the site for you. Like we update it for you and take care of it. Make sure everything's running up to date. We designed the site for you because when you have a website, you want to make sure that it's eye-catching. You want to make sure that it's branded properly. You want to make sure that it's up to date with graphics and it's catching people's eye, keeping them on your site to build up an audience, build up an engaged audience to potentially convert these customers into sales and make money off of it. We track, manage, update your inventory, and we help you with any confusions you might have. Let us make your vision come to life. Let us further your company. Let us take care of the headache for you. So what are you waiting for? With all that being said, man, it's Nick from Maselli Visuals. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Peace.